Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and yes, I have been missing in action for a while, and just want to post up a quick video, but I don't think it's going to be quick now that I'm taking a look at it. This video is going to be on, the November bargain bead box, but I just, as usual, want to show you some things that I've been working on here for the holidays coming up. Look at this. These are absolutely gorgeous. These are Christmas tree ornaments, and you can see some of them are not finished. I'm still working on them, but I just wanted to show you. I will be posting a video hopefully this week on how to make this. Now it is a spiral stitch, and it is the actually same stitch as this bracelet here. This is, you can call it the serpentine, spiral, whatever you want to call it, but it's the same stitch as this bracelet here. And I posted, I think I have a video on how to make this up on my YouTube channel already. So you can go and take a look at that, and I'll link it at the end of this video where you can click on it and it'll take you right there. So, but these are so gorgeous. Look at this. This is the first one I made, which, as you can see, it's your first one. And a big tip here, when I learn a new design or stitch, I make sure I don't use my good crystals. So I'll go and dig out, my old crystals or whatever I have. But you can see this came out a little loosey-goosey here, but I'm still gonna use it. It's good enough for, I'm not doing a Christmas tree this year, but I'm gonna give them out as gifts, okay? And then look at this one. Now this one is finished. This is just beautiful. Okay. Look at that gold and green together. Can you imagine that hanging on your tree? And the lights of your tree reflecting off of this ornament. It's just beautiful. And you could also wear it as an earring. Hey, right? But these are pretty. And you can give like 4 or 5 of them, out as gifts in a nice pretty gift box lined with a pretty satin fabric, Look at that. I mean, they're just really stunning. It's really going to stand out on a Christmas tree. And here's one that is finished. The red, green, and silver. And I've added a little bicone on the end there, which I'm going to start doing. It's so pretty. Just so pretty. I mean, look at that. These work up really quickly. They're super fast to make. Here's another one. But look at that sparkle. And there's another one of these. And again, when you make your first, so I have 5, 6 here, and these are not my good crystals. Okay, they're not Precosa or Swarovski, which I usually work with. These are just whatever I had laying around, and you get these on Amazon or whatever. But they're still beautiful, so work with whatever you have. But these work up very quickly. They're going to make gorgeous presents. I know if someone gave me these as gifts, I would absolutely love it. So I'll have a video up on this later. I dug really hard to find a video on this or any kind of pattern and paper instructions, and I found 2, and but as usual I switched up the pattern a little bit because there's just ways that I always find that I can make it easier and quicker to do. So I'm going to show you what that is. And I'll have a video up. Today's Wednesday. I should have it up sometime this weekend. So check back, because these are absolutely gorgeous. So let's get this out of the way, and I'll show you. Been working on my Russian spirals again. I made a red and green one here, as you can see. And I already have a video, a very popular video on my YouTube channel, how to make these. So, okay, it's like a purple one. Okay, right. And we'll get started on the bargain bee box. Now, I have not even looked at this. I haven't opened it, so let's go here. Just trying to make sure I'm in focus. We got a green organza bag this November. Let's read what it's about. So the theme for November 2022 Bargain Bee Box is Holiday Cheer. I love that name, that title. So as the holiday season approaches, we've blended classic green, red, and gold tones for a celebratory collection packed with gemstones and crystals. Highlights include a hand-wrapped quartz pendant, green quartz round beads, gold accented dolomite, faceted quartz rondelles, along with festive crystals and handmade rounds, and gold finished brass and stainless steel findings complete the set. And as usual, if you subscribe to Bargain Bee Box, you will get a 30% coupon code for their sister store, which is Bee Box Bargains. And I think that's it. We're going to get started. This month they have 17 items in here, and it is a retail value of $78. Okay. Now I'm not going to do this in any kind of order because I'm in a bit of a hurry. I mean, the holidays are here, right? So I'm just going to dump this out over here. I'm going to grab whatever I get first. All right. Number 8. Make sure I'm in focus up here. Oh, these are pretty. So festive. Look at that. I'm getting closer. I guess that's close enough. Oh, these are so pretty. So number 8 is a 5-piece 10 mil handmade enamel and brass floral round beads. And these are just really pretty. Look at that. Very festive. Okay. And number 4. Excuse me. Number 4 is 8.5 inch adjustable nylon slide bracelet cord in red gold. This is pretty. This is very sparkly. Look at that. This is very nice. I haven't seen this before in a Bargain Bee Box. Very pretty. Okay. This is number 6 or 9. 6. Number 6, 2 sets of stainless steel hypoallergenic toggle clasp in gold. These are very nice. A nice sleek finish. Very pretty. Alright. Number 7. Number 7 is a 13-point, come on hands, work, 5-inch strand, 4x3 faceted multicolored quartz rondelles. Very pretty. Look how colorful that is. Alright. And number 2. 2 is a 30-piece gold finish stainless steel filigree bead caps. These are pretty. To add some sparkle in there. Number 9, 5-piece 10 mil faceted, crystal faceted barrel beads in coral red AB. This is pretty. Look at that. A lot of sparkle. Number 3, 13-inch strand 4 mil crystal bicone beads in coral red. It's pretty. Very pretty. And number 10. Number 10 is 11-inch strand 6 mil crystal Q beads in crystal and green shimmer. Wow. There you go. That is some sparkle right there. These are so pretty. What do we have here? Number 11. 11 is a 10-piece strand, 10 mil Mountain Jade Dolomite rounds in green gold. That's pretty. It's a nice big bead. Let's see what we have here. Yep. Whoops. There we go. My goodness. Yeah, it's a nice big bead. Let's see what else we have here. Number 5. Number 5 is a 2-piece gold finish brass texture diamond pendants. These are really pretty. And of course, they're the same on both sides. This is nice and sparkly. It'd be nice if I was in frame here. There we go. Let's see what we got here. That's a nice big piece. This is super sparkly. Okay. And number 12. 12 is a 19 by 12.5 mil golden brass snowflake link with cubic zirconia accents. So pretty. That's the back. Even the back is pretty. But look at that. How cute that is. And you can hang it that way, or you can hang it this way with the chain. And get a little closer here. It's really pretty. And here is our number 1. 15-inch strand, 8 mil green quartz round beads. There we go. There's our Christmas green. So pretty. Ooh, feeling really festive now. Okay, let's see what we have here. Number 16. 16 is 16 is a quartz and 18 gold-plated copper-wrapped donut. Okay. There we go. So again, you can hang it this way, this way. It's pretty. Looks like a big lifesaver. Moving on to 13. 13 is a 10-piece strand, 9mm faceted diagonal cube crystal beads in red. It's really pretty. It's a rich red. Wow. These are really pretty. It's a very clear stone. Let's see, 14. Yeah, I'm not going to open these up. 14 is a 40-piece solid brass spacer beads. There we go. And these are pretty. They're shiny, so should complement all the other pieces. 15. 7.5-inch strand, 8x6mm faceted rondelle beads in red gold. Look at that. Now that is some sparkle. So pretty. Look at that. Looks better when I hold it in my hand. So pretty. Okay, and the last one, number 17. It is a 40mm enameled geometric medallion pendant in red gold. Look at that. It's the back. Oops, sorry. Feels like metal, and the hole was up there, so when you get yours and you check on the back, you'll be able to see the hole a lot better. Oh, there you go. This will look great together. So that is it for this month's bargain bead box. Very festive. Goodness, makes me want to just whip up something really quick here. So pretty. So that is it. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, and I'll put links as usual. The beadedjewelstore.com. We have the beadedjewelstore.etsy.com, Poshmark. We're also on Mercari and eBay, but there's not enough room to post it here. And that is it. And I will post the video for these gorgeous, I can't get it in there, for the gorgeous crystal ornaments. Okay, so thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Sorry I kind of fumbled through it a little bit, but the holidays are here and we are all busy. So have fun making all your goodies, and that was it. I will see you next time in my YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.